Okay, I am here at Woodland. This is the school that Mrs. Malfate went to. Okay, and while Mrs. Malfate is inside coaching a volleyball game, I am out here at a cross-country meet. And I got to thinking, how can I explain subtraction to you? I had an idea.
Here's a subtracting rhyme. More on top, no need to stop. More on floor, go next door. Numbers the same, zero's the game. More on top, no need to stop. More on floor, go next door. Numbers the same, zero's the game.
Regrouping and subtraction.
Today we are going to practice regrouping for subtraction. Now you've already done this when we regrouped for addition. Remember when we had, let's add these, 46 plus 28. Remember we had 6 plus 8 is 4, and we carried the 1, and now we go 1 plus 4 is 5, 6, 7, 74. That's when we regrouped. Remember that? Well, now we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to do subtraction. So it's going to be a little different. We're going to go backwards. So if I have 46 and I need to subtract 28, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my top numbers up here. And I need to see if they are smaller than the bottom number. If they are, I need to borrow a 1 from them. If it's not, like 4 is bigger than 2, I can leave. But we always start on the right to get it right.
Start on the right, you'll get it right.
6. We need to borrow a 1. So I'm going to come over here to the 4, and I'm going to grab a 1. And I'm going to bring that 1 that I took from the 4, and I'm going to bring it over here and make this 16. Do you see what I did? I took the 1, made that into, took it out of the 4 and made that into a 3, and I brought the 1 and brought it right here. So now I'm going to look. Is 3 bigger than 2? Yes. Now we can subtract. So 16 minus 8 is 8. Good job. 3 minus 2 is 1. Good. So 46 minus 28 is 18. Okay, can we do this with money? Let's see. Gosh, where's Trinity when I needed her? I wish I had different colored markers. Okay, what are we going to do first? You're right, we're going to look at the top row. And we're going to see, can we take a 6 away from a 3? 3 is smaller than 6. So we need to borrow. We're going to take 1 away from the 4, and that's going to give us 3. So that 1 we're going to bring over and make that a 13. Is 3 smaller than 1? No, it's larger, so we don't need to do anything. What about 6 and 2? Is 6 smaller? No, we don't need to do anything. So now we can add. 13 minus 6 is 7. 3 minus 1 is 2. Oh, don't forget your decimal point. And 6 minus 2 is 4. Also, don't forget your dollar sign. Good. Now let's see if we can do a 3-digit number. Oh, it'll be easy because now we know what to do. First of all, we look at the top numbers. This is what we're going to do. And we're going to start with the one on the right to get it right. So, is 7 smaller than 8? Yes. What are we going to do? Good. We're going to take a 1 from the 2, and that's going to leave us a 1. We're going to come over here to the 7. We're going to bring that 1 over, and it's going to be 17. So now 17 is bigger than 8. We'll be able to do that. Come over here to see. Is 1 smaller than 9? Yes, we cannot take 9 away from 1. We're going to have to borrow. What are we going to do? We're going to come over here and take 1 away from the 5 and get a 4. That 1 that we took from 5, we're going to bring right over here. And we're going to get a 11. So 11 is bigger than 9. Good. And 4 is bigger than 1. Now we can subtract. What is 17 minus 8? What's 17 minus 8? Good. 9. What is 11 minus 9? 2. And what is 4 minus 1? 3. Good. The answer to this is 329.